Okay, so this is for you guys that love expensive headphones. The Gold Planar, the HiFi brand has come out with a magnificent flagship. It's quite unique because they're using technology that is pretty unique in the industry. They're using a motion transducer in this new model. The model number is the GL850. Now, a lot of people may wink their eyes around this model number because we already have from the same brand the GL1000, which is not this price. The GL1000 I think is around the $500 or something a lot less. But this one, on the other hand, is $1,600. $1,600. Make sure you check the link in the description to get the updated pricing. But currently it's going for $1,600. So if you're getting it from Linsol, it's $1,600 there. If you're getting it from AliExpress via the link in the description, it's $1,600 as well. So this new product was just announced today. It's no reviews out yet. So the specification on it is quite okay, but when you are going for something this high end, especially when you're spending $1,600 on a headphone that there is this law of diminishing return. When you start spending above a certain price point, you maybe would like to get a certain value back from what you are spending a certain amount for. The thing I can say right here is that see, this particular stuff is that if you're going to spend this kind of money, just know you have the equipment that can handle them well, because this particular new model would probably need you to have quality electronics to drive them. So they claim it's not like other headphones because it's uniquely designed. They claim that they built it with a dynamic electrostatic planar magnetic coupled with a ribbon driver. So it's a very different kind of design. Now, how that translates into how it will sound is quite different from what is on the paper. So it is adopting an ultra thin diaphragm material. It is also having this an aluminum structure, as well as an AMT driver. The product as well is very, very good in terms of resolving detail. From what they are saying, if you use this particular model, it will certainly resolve detail more than most headphones on the market. Now, how that will translate into what you hear is maybe would have to be left for people that would get their hands on it. I am not an advocate for higher end products on this channel. The reason why is that we have so much diminishing return in audio, especially when you start spending about $500 on an headphone. Pretty much the diminishing return is crazy. What you get there. So specs wise, the driver size is 93.63 millimeter. Impedance is 32 ohms. Not too bad, but sensitivity is quite low. So you will certainly need a very decently powered amp to power this, because it's at 90 decibels per milliwatts. It is not efficient by the normal standard, and which it's really not supposed to be, considering $1,600. Most of these very expensive headphones tend to not be very efficient. They tend to make their headphones in such a way that you are not going to damage the driver, especially when you overdrive them from a very powerful source. The cable on it is a 6 N silver audiophile grade cable. So the cable on it is quite premium. The headphone looks quite okay. Now I wouldn't say it's gonna win any awards for its look, but in terms of its look, it's decent. It's not spectacular by any stretch, but it is fine. It is fine for what you're paying for. It looks big. It looks really big. So many people that may have smaller heads may not like this set, but I think for the most part, people would like if it resolves as I don't know, like these flagship brands, like I think Abyss brand, the what's this other one, Hyphen, the all those Susvara and the I think the Sennheiser has their HD, not the HD 800, but they have their more expensive Sennheiser headphones. I'm not talking of the $50,000 Sennheiser, but I think there is another one in the $7,000 range from Sennheiser. So this should be in that ballpark to compete with them. Considering it's made in China, it's supposed to give you at least double the value of what is being produced in the United States. I may be wrong, honestly, but I feel that if you're gonna pay this kind of amount, it has to be worth it. It really has to be worth it. But I will keep my eyes out on this product. If the reviews are good, I'll make more content recommending it and why you should buy it. But if the reviews are not that good, it's just one and done right now. So that's it. I'll leave a link, so you can use the link in the description to check the updated pricing if you like the product. Be sure to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.